In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Fortinet license online. Whether you're new to Fortinet or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy and straightforward. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Fortinet website. Open your web browser and type in Fortinet's URL, or simply search for Fortinet if that's easier for you. Once you're there, the next step is to log in to your Fortinet account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. This account is essential as it keeps track of your licenses and gives you access to support and services. Once logged in, locate and click on the Services tab. This section is crucial because it houses all the options related to managing your Fortinet products and licenses. After clicking on Services, the next thing you'll want to do is click on Asset Management. Asset Management is where you'll oversee all your Fortinet assets, including the licenses you need to manage or purchase. Now, within the Asset Management section, you'll see a Products option. Click on this to view a list of all your registered Fortinet products. If you're managing multiple products, this list helps you keep everything organized. Next, look for More Views and give that a click. This expands your options and lets you access more detailed views of your products and their licenses. Here, you'll find the License option. Clicking on License will take you to the area where you can manage your existing licenses or purchase new ones. If you're ready to buy a new license, you'll need to click on Register More. This is the gateway to purchasing a license for your Fortinet product. At this point, you'll need to input your Fortinet serial number. This number is typically registered with your device, so make sure you have it handy. Once you've entered the serial number, you can follow the prompts to complete your purchase. This area is also where you can renew any expired licenses, so keep an eye on those expiration dates to avoid any service interruptions. If you encounter any issues, or if this process seems overwhelming, don't worry. Fortinet's support team is just a click away, ready to assist you with your purchase and any questions you might have. Reaching out to them can provide additional guidance and ensure you have everything set up correctly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to purchasing a Fortinet license online, ensuring your network remains secure and up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy securing.